In front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now you need to click on Manage All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can also go back, select your app from here, and manage notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Allow Notifications feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!